officially the holiday season, and with special effect vinyl from Stahls, you can really take advantage of all the opportunities there are to be had. And we're going to be talking about two special effect vinyls, one that is a heat transfer vinyl known as CAD-CUT Glitter Flake, and a brand new vinyl that's just been added to the Stahls lineup known as P.S. Glitter. That's right, we do have a glitter sign vinyl that is great for hard goods and one of the most popular items for personalizing around this time of year is drinkware. So we're going to be talking about drinkware and two other accessory types that you can pair together and sell for a very great profit opportunity for the holidays. Let's get started. Pressure-sensitive glitter comes in 17 different colors, and they come in 12-inch rolls. For this project, we're going to be using these three colors seen here, gold, white, and red. And in addition to that, we are going to be using our Tape mask to transfer the cutout designs to our hard good. My designs are already cut out, so let's begin the masking process. I already have my Tape cut out so that it is the perfect size for transferring all three of these together for the cup. So we're going to start with the antlers, then move to our initial and then our red nose here. I'm going to take my Tape and curl it out, starting in the center, making sure that it is at the top of the masking so we have enough room for the rest of our pressure-sensitive glitter to transfer. And we're just going to repeat that same process until we have everything transferred onto our mask. And before I transfer to the cup, I'm just going to save the adhesive by putting that backing that comes with the mask there. And now we can go ahead and transfer to our drinkware. I went ahead and placed down an old t-shirt just to stabilize the tumbler that we're about to put the sign vinyl on so that it's not rolling around on me as we go to place this. So we're just going to remove that backing. And the same way that we started our masking process, we're going to do the same thing. We're going to curl it up in the center and then work our way out. And you can use a squeegee for the transferring process if you want. I use my fingers just so that I can feel that I'm getting along every edge and I'm just applying pressure to every part of the vinyl. Once you feel that it is applied, we can go ahead and remove the Tape masking and reveal our personalized tumbler using our pressure-sensitive glitter. And this has a very bright, glossy finish to it, which really pairs well with the glitter texture that is throughout the vinyl, which ultimately gives you a nice brilliant shine when using this product. In addition to personalized drinkware, there are many other accessories that are perfect sellers for around this time of year, and that is tote bags and wristlets. So to pair with the personalized drinkware we just did, we are going to personalize a tote bag and a wristlet using CAD-CUT Glitter Flake. Let's head to the Hotronix Autoclam and get started. I'm going to start by loading the tote bag on an 11x15 platen so that we can get our print area nice and isolated. Before we place the glitter flake, I am going to do a quick preheat. This is going to help warm the garment. This is going to help warm the garment and release any moisture and wrinkles in the fabric for easy application. Now we're going to take our glitter flake and place the personalization and cover with a cover sheet. Glitter Flake applies at 302 degrees for 10 to 12 seconds using a medium pressure. So we're just going to lock our auto clam in place. And then our application is done heat applying, so we can remove that carrier. Glitter Flake is a hot peel, so as soon as it's complete, we can remove that and it is all done. All right, so that is our tote bag application. Now we are going to pair a wristlet with that to really maximize our profit opportunity. As you can see here, when I place the wristlet on our 11 by 15 platen, it is causing a lot of the obstructions on the bag to get in the way of an even pressure. So we're going to use a Print Perfect pad. We're just going to insert that into our wristlet, do a quick preheat, and test our pressure. Whenever we add accessories like a Print Perfect pad, that is going to increase our pressure a bit. So whenever we do our preheat process and test, that allows us to get a gauge for what our pressure is at. As I mentioned, Glitter Flake, it does require a medium pressure to apply the product correctly. So as long as that is reading out anywhere between a 4 and a 6 on a Hotronix machine, you are good to go. So we're going to go ahead and place our personalization cover with a cover sheet and allow the Hotronix auto clam to do the rest of the work for us. And our personalized wristlet is complete. As you can see, CAD-CUT Glitter Flake and our pressure-sensitive glitter vinyl pair perfectly together. And by packaging these items together, we're also able to warrant a higher profit opportunity in the gifting items that we're offering for the holiday season. For more information on our new PS glitter, visit the link in the description.